Hello class, I hope all of you are doing good. Class, this time we will do English language, that is from a grammar step book, and we will do chapter number 8, articles. In that we are going to learn the uses of articles a, and the. Okay, so let's start. Hello class, we will do chapter number 8, articles. Okay, in that we are going to learn the uses of a, and the. So these are our articles. Which one? A, and the. Now let's see where we can use the article a. So article a is used before the word starting with consonant sound. Okay, which sound? Consonant. See class, we have done vowels also and consonant also in class first. So vowels means, vowels are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U, which are written over here. Okay, and consonants are all the letter except for the A, E, I, O, U. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H. So these are our consonant letters. Okay, so we will use A before the word starting with consonant letter or the consonant sound. Next, A is used with singular person, place, animal or thing. Also, we use A when there is only one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Okay, for example, a cat. Now here you can see C. This is not your vowels. Okay, so C is your consonant and C is sound as C, K, cat. So K is not your vowel, it is your consonant. So before consonant, which article we will use? A. And A means one cat. Okay. Next, a gift. So G is your consonant, G, G. G is a consonant sound, G. Okay, so before G we will use A. The next is table, a table. So T is sound as T. So T is also your consonant, it is not your vowel. So before table we will use article A. And you can see cat is also singular, gift is also singular and table is also singular noun. Now the next article is an. An is used before the words starting with vowels. I told you vowel sound are A, E, I, O, U. So whenever these sounding these sounding letters will be there, before that word we will use article an. And an is also used with singular person, place, animal or thing. Means only one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Okay, so for both A and an, both are used only when there is one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Okay, so let's take an example. So A is your vowel, E is your vowel, I is your vowel, O is your vowel and U, A is your vowel. Okay, so class, first example is an egg. So class, E is your vowel and before vowel what we will use? An. Okay, now next is your an orange. So O. So again before O we will use an because O is your vowel. The next, an umbrella, U-A. So again this is sounding A. So before U, A, what we will use? An, because U is your vowel. Similarly, an apple, A, apple. So an apple. So you can see here there are only one egg, there is only one orange and there is only one umbrella. So that's why we are using an over here. Okay, so I hope you have understood the use of A and an. Now the use of the we will read in the book. Now class, come to page number 41. In this we will learn the use of article the. So the first point is, when we talk about something for the first time, we use a and. Okay, we use a or an. But when we talk about the same thing again, we use the. For example, this is a cat. Now here you can see C is consonant, so that's why we have used a before consonant. And cat, here we are talking about cat for the first time. Okay, now here in the second sentence, the cat is playful. Now here we are talking about the cat for the second time. So whenever we talk about anything, any noun for the second time, so before that what we will use article the. See, here we are talking about cat for the first time, so we are using a because there is a consonant. Okay, and here we are talking about the same cat over here for the second time, so that's why we are using the. We are not using a. Okay, so we will use the to make it specific. Okay, that we are specifically talking about this cat only over here. Okay, now next, we use the when we talk or write about something that are only one of a kind. Means in the whole world or in the whole universe there is only one of that thing. Okay, so like the sun. How many sun you can see in the universe? Only one. So we have the earth have only one sun, so that's why we have written the sun. And how many moon we can see? One moon only. So before moon there we will write the. And sky, there is only one sky for the whole world, so the sky. Okay, now next, we do not use article a and the before names of people. So whenever we talk about any person and whenever we write any person's name, so before that we will not use any article. Okay, we will not use a Raj or an Raj or the Raj. We will not say a Nisha or an Nisha or the Nisha. These are wrong. We will never use any article before the names of people. Okay, we usually do not use article a and the in front of names of the villages, towns, cities or countries. See class, we have noticed we will never say the India. Okay, we can say the Indians, the people who belongs to that country, we can say the Indians, but we will never say the India or the China or the Dubai. We will not say that. Okay, so we will not use any article before any name of the state or name of the country. Okay, or name of the villages. Understood? I hope you have understood this class. Now class, let's do this exercise which is given in page number 42, exercise D. I'll do only one or two exercise points over here. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Put a cross where no article is required. Okay, so I'll do first point. I am drawing dash picture. So picture is the word is starting with the letter P, which is a consonant. So what I am going to use? A. And they are talking about only one picture, so that's why I'm using article a. I am drawing a picture. Next, in the same sentence, the dash picture is pretty. So here I'm talking about this picture again. Here I have talked about this picture for the first time, and here I am talking about this picture for the second time now. So whenever we talk about anything for the second time, what we are going to use? The. Okay, so the picture is pretty. So I am talking about this picture, and that picture is pretty. Now next, Sana made, again I will write a because there is only singular noun, and P is your consonant. Sana made a picture of an aeroplane. There's only one aeroplane, that's why I've used an, and a is your vowel. Okay, that's why I'm using article an. Sana made a picture of an aeroplane flying between the clouds. Why I cannot use a? Because we are talking about clouds, more than one cloud. Okay, so we cannot use a, and here we are talking about specific clouds. So between the clouds. Okay, class. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Now you have to do the homework that I'll give you in Pade Bharat. Okay. Hello class. I hope you have understood what I have taught you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Please do your work neatly and please submit it on time. And take care.